In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wix support directly from your Wix dashboard. If you've ever run into a design snag, a billing question, or a feature that just isn't working the way you expect, reaching a real person at Wix can make all the difference. I'll walk you through the exact path inside your Wix account so you can open a live chat and get help fast. First, head to wix.com and sign in. Once you're in, open the site you want help with. You can work from either the site dashboard or the Wix editor. Both are fine. If you're actively editing your site, keep the editor open so you can switch back and forth as needed. Next, look to the top right area of the screen near the Publish button. Click Help, or the small question mark icon if that's what you see. This opens the Help panel or an overlay, which is your gateway to official support options. Inside the Help panel, use the search bar and type Wix Support. Press Enter. This step is important because it filters the results to official support choices rather than a big list of general help articles. You'll still see resources, but the goal here is to jump to a live support pathway. Now, look for an option labeled Wix Support, Chat with us, or Start Chat. Click it. You may be prompted with a few quick questions to route your request. Choose the area that best matches your issue, things like design, payments, or site settings. These short questions help get you to the right specialist faster. When the chat window opens, describe your issue clearly. Share what you're trying to do, what error or unexpected behavior you're seeing, and which browser and device you're using. If there's a specific error message, include the exact wording. The clearer your description, the fewer back and forth messages you'll need, and the faster support can pinpoint the fix. Send your message and wait for the agent to respond. From there, follow the agent's instructions step by step. They may ask to check certain settings, try a quick test, or confirm your setup details. If you need to perform actions in Wix while you're chatting, open your site in another tab so you can keep the conversation visible and make changes at the same time. If the issue is complex, the agent may escalate it for deeper investigation, and they'll let you know what to expect next. And that's it. You now know how to contact Wix support directly from your Wix dashboard whenever you're stuck. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more Wix guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.